Are you looking for the best portable computer desks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable computer desks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. GAJIO Laptop Desk Cart. Equipped with a bottom shelf, this will ensure that you have maximum storage space. The portable computer desk comes with an adjustable height function so that there will be an ideal positioning. Additionally, you will also find 4 smooth wheels for moving it conveniently. It is available in a multifunctional design and makes sure that you have a comfortable posture. Moreover, it comes in a spacious design and will offer you a wide working space. Furthermore, this has an attractive look and can be great for home and office use. At number 4. SWH Adjustable Computer Desk. The upgraded wheels of this portable computer desk will make sure there will be smooth rolling. It has a durable metal construction and features excellent chipboard. Additionally, it can support loads of up to 80 pounds, and you don't have to worry about water or wear. It is also very compact so that you can save space. Moreover, it comes in a delicate design, and the large top will make sure there will be ample working space. Furthermore, this helps to relieve fatigue and prevent any kind of health problems as it comes with an adjustable height system. At number 3. Hadolce Adjustable Standing Computer Desk. With 2 different colors to choose from, here is a portable computer desk that comes in a durable design. In this, you will find a feature of adjustable height, and you can use it by only rotating the knobs. Moreover, you can have the advantage of using it in a sitting or standing position. It can be an ideal item for improving efficiency and offers you better comfort. Furthermore, you can move it conveniently anywhere you want due to the premium rubber casters. Additionally, the product has a robust construction, and it is available in a fashionable and modern design. At number 2. SIDIDUCAL Adjustable Portable Desk. The large size of this portable computer desk makes it great for having a comfortable working experience. This can easily get under the bed or sofa and allow you to maintain better posture. Moreover, it gives you the option to choose from different heights and use it according to your needs. It can glide smoothly from one place to another as it comes with rolling wheels. Additionally, it has heavy-duty construction and can support a high load. It also has an attractive look, and you can even use it as a dining table. Furthermore, this will let you have quick and easy assembling. At number 1. SWH Adjustable Desk. The feature of the adjustable height of this portable computer desk will let you have a comfortable experience. In this, you will find a locking knob so that there will be reliable performance. Moreover, it includes all the necessary tools for having easy assembling. Additionally, you will also find 2 locking wheels for improved stability. It comes in a wide design and can accommodate desktops of different sizes. Furthermore, this is very durable and can last for a long time. The compact design will allow you to save space. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.